have been associated with this institution, which is Nazir Azman Memorial College of Education. Right from the inception, in fact, during my headship, this college was established. 2014, I was the head of the Department of Education that time. From that time onwards, right from the inauguration, I am associated. Any program, I am always invited. You understand? Because I was attracted to the slogan, Ajmal for Education, Education for All. You're the lucky students who got admitted to this institution, because this institution, as I know, doesn't compromise with quality. And if you look at the result, first position in so many years has been occupied by this institution. Hoine nohoy? Prothom jitu sthan B.Ed porikha kor pora pai? Yes, toppers. That means that, and you really feel good, na? Jot okoman badha porisil in the starting. You know, there were some problems, teething problems. But when you found that, overcoming the problems, you have, crossed the hurdles, and the result is good, the quality is good, we feel good. So it was Salman Janmo who said, this institution, and today it is a child. A bahut basar ase to become an adolescent. Yes? Okay. Now see, since you have got admission in this college, one thing I would like to tell you, that there is no shortcut to success. Success or kuno shortcut na thake. Maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a student. If you want to be the best, you must be the best. There is no shortcut to success. And you have to give, there should be dedication and commitment. Jitu kamot manhor commitment na thake, jitu kamot manhor dedication na thake, tar pholapolu thik nohoy. Nothing is easily available. You have to sweat it out. You have to slog it out. Aru tar karone tumarke you have to put your efforts. Sobore to bhal result no ho pare. You may not, everyone cannot be a topper. Everyone cannot be a scorer of 90%. But you should put in your 100%. You get it? You should put in your 100%, because you may not get 100%, but tumal korpra he effort to tumalke dibo lagibo. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. So you find that tumalke jodi bhal, if you become good students, tomorrow you are going to become good teachers. This is a professional course. You have to really slog it out. You have to really slog it out. Here comes my student. He is my student. Nazrul is my student. So it's a pride. It's a matter of pride to be in an institution where most of the faculty, most of the people who are involved in this prestigious institution happens to be my student. So, the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. There was a time when women were debarred, when women were not given the doors of education were not openly given to them. But today you find that education is everyone's birthright. The great prophets, they said, if you want to give the best gift to your children, you can give diamonds, You can give gold, you can give silver, but that is insignificant. If you give education, you find that that is the best gift you can give your children. So today, boys have learned to respect women. Why? Because of their education. Yes? Do you just like a girl who just sits at home and only does cooking? Do you like? No. Today you find that education is such a process where you don't only enlighten the society, you enlighten yourself. Once you enlighten yourself, you can enlighten the society. So I'm so happy because you students are on the way to creating history. Kaile ki hobo? What? You leave behind a legacy. You leave. Kibato mi eri thoi jam na. Today I'm there, tomorrow I'm not there. What I leave behind? No one will count how much money I have. No one will count how big my building is or how many cars I have. They will count what I have done for my society. I'm a teacher. I'm a hardcore teacher. Teaching is not a job. It's a sakuri nohoi. Teaching is a profession. Teaching is a passion. Teaching is something that gives you life. Teaching is something that makes you live. Teaching is something that makes you young. Teaching is something that gives you that charm to live. Because we are with the young people. When I stay with young people, I feel young. So you find that I'm in such a profession. Life has lots of problems. Jibanot bahut ghat protighat thakiboi, samasya thakiboi, kar na thake. It is not as very smooth sailing. No, there is always ups and downs. But you find that when you can go amidst these ups and downs, you become more powerful. So life, we have so much. Aruta kotha we have to remember about mental health. Physical health to ami kore gym jao ba na jao ba khus karo. Mental health, amar jitu manuhik saisto. The mental health must be preserved. In today's society, man has become the king of the universe, monarch of the universe, but he's a slave to his emotions. So, Rajya conquer koile. Prithibir raja, kintu nijor jiblak abeg, onhuti, he is a slave. Khom uthile, dubar na bhabe, what is the consequences of our action? Education must help you to rationalize your thinking. Tomar ki degree eta to pabai. You'll get a degree, but after you get the degree, you must become wise. Knowledge must give you wisdom. Knowledge without wisdom is meaningless. So friends, you must always remember that the education that you get in this institution, the prestigious institution, that must give you not only the degree, but you must stand out as an individual who has values. Ajikali amar values nai. Dangore horu honman koribo najane, horue dangorok respect koribo najane. You be an example. You be an example that apart from the degree, we stand out as individuals with unique qualities of head and heart. Your action must speak. Remember, you don't have to, beat your own drums. You don't have to blow your own trumpet. Let your actions speak. In life, degree is important, yes, but not that important that you become a good human being. Gam paisane? Bhal manu hobo lagibo. Because teaching is a relationship where we develop the finer skills of an individual. Ami khali kitabotu ase, the syllabus is there. Without a teacher, you can study. But remember, a teacher and teaching cannot be divorced. You cannot divorce a teacher from the teaching. Teacher is always there. May not be physical, but someone more mature. Today's teacher is not only a teacher who just lectures in the classroom. Today's teacher is a mentor. Today's teacher is a guidance provider. Malkar, jitya problem hoy, you can approach, because institution is a substitute of the home. Do you understand, my friends? Tomorrow you are going to join an institution. It's a professional course. So, I university M.Ed koriboloi. I have got students from here. So you find, try to be good human being. Try to bring a name to your institution. Try to bring a name to your family. So many problems are in the society, are बहुत problems. It starts because something is wrong somewhere. I mean, we are giving the best of education. I mean, solve this. Why? Why? What is the reason behind so much of problems? Read the newspaper, you will find loot, but, rape, disrespect to the seniors. Develop these qualities where you know how to respect your parents. First, your janmadata. If you respect your family, if you respect mothers, our parents may not be educated. But education is not only a degree, it is the experience. Because from the bite of a mosquito to the taste of a mango is learning. Remember. So the nation, we have given you this. And our existence is here because you all are there. Tumaluk na thakile, amar ostitto nai. Gam paisa? So how important a role you are playing. So work hard. Work hard. Ask questions. This institution has given a lot, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. You are the lucky people who have got admitted here. Protect kiman development hoise, kiman skill development hikaise. So, but Malkoro eta kortobya ase. You also have a responsibility. You should not be at the taking end only. You should also be at the giving end. Try to give. Give unconditionally. Teachers, give unconditionally. Don't expect. Okay? So, we have a lot of responsibility and we can take our country forward only with a joint effort. So, Tumalke, I give you all my blessings. I give you all my love. Jiman love I have poured it on you. I'm always with you, always for you.